औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। अस्सलामु अलैकुम एवरीवन। Okay, good morning, MI experts, MI Microsoft Innovative Educator experts. Okay, now how to learn today we are going to learn that how to schedule your trainings, being MI experts, ठीक है, to train your colleagues and then earn something in return. For example, badges like a master trainer badge like I got. Let me show you that. Where's my badge? Click on Outlook. I have embedded in my email. When I click on new message, new email, when I click on new message, top left corner, it will appear over here. Bingo, just like that. Can you see over here? MIE Trainer 2021. Can you see this? Okay. And after that, let me tell you, let me guide you from where you can earn this badge, being a MIE Master Trainer. Okay, click on new tab and let's start. First of all, you need to write over here. Can you see this URL? This one, edutrack.microsoft.com. Click on that. It will take you over here. Okay, then you will get this screen. Okay, let me put this in my favorite bar so that I can later on I can use this. This one, put it over here. Yes, got it. Okay, first thing is you need to welcome to the Microsoft Education Training Tracker, empowering every student to achieve more. Okay, first step is to register. First time users should register to tool. Okay, I will tell you later on how to register in this. Let me show you what I have done and what I have achieved. Let me click achieve. Let me click on sign in, because I have already created my account here. So let's see. You will get the trainer dashboard over here, just like that. Okay, Microsoft Education Training Tracker. Welcome Faisal. You must create a new event each time you give out achievement code. We have noticed number of trainer training reuse their achievement code created with multiple trainings. This doesn't work because each code only be redeemed a specific number of times based on how many people you would be in a training. Create a new event for each training. This is the important point. You need to create a new event for each training. Overestimate the participants by 10 people to give you some extra. Use only that code with the participant at the event. Okay, जो events के अंदर हैं आप उन्हीं के साथ कोड शेयर कर सकते हो. How to use? This is a planning guide. You click here, then it will tell you ठीक है what to do and how to do. Training material is over here. You need to go through this, access this as well. Then create training events. Click the below to create a new training event. Say yeah, look here, I have created these trainings. Okay, can you see this? This is your achievement code that you can share with your colleagues so that they can redeem the code. Okay, number of participants who are there, how many, Office 365 live, MS PowerPoint, MS Word, Sway. Only 13 teachers redeem this code. Okay, then Office 365, OneDrive, Microsoft Edge, Innovative Educator Expert, self nomination. So only 19 teachers were interested in that. ठीक है, बाकी ट्रेनिंग सब ने ली है. They all have taken the training. ठीक है, from me, but they are not supposed to give me this credit. Sorry to say, but some people don't like. ठीक है, okay. Then you know that what is the purpose of all these. ठीक है, now more interesting thing is over here. Yes, my performance. Okay, in my performance we are over here. ठीक है, my performance के अंदर क्या 241 people trained. I have total trained 281. Okay, 85.7% others. ये आपका सारा डैशबोर्ड दिखा रहा है. This is the graph, column graph. ठीक है, then I have conducted training in these weeks, these months, these days. Okay, let me show you something else. Okay, जी, let me create on new training. Create training events. Click the link below to create a new training. Click on new training. Then here you need to enter the date of that training. So let me say I'm going to select September Monday 13th. Okay, 13 Monday. Now duration of training it should be 1.9 hour, let's say. Yes, and then country is Pakistan. Delivery, okay. Online webinar, no. Self-paced online, yes. In person, okay. Then topic is I'm going to use Flipgrid, Microsoft Team, Office 365. Then audience, pre-package. If I click no, intro to Python, you can select anything from here. MIE, Office 365, OneNote and all that, ठीक है, that you want to integrate in your class, ठीक है, जिसकी आप ट्रेनिंग देना चाह रहे हो. Okay, then audience type, library staff, yes. Then policy leader, minister of primary and secondary educators, yes. School leaders, yes, sometime they used to sit, ठीक है. Then IT or technical, yes. For example, IT personnel like your lab assistants, science lab assistants, ठीक है, and educator trainers, higher school faculty, curriculum specialist, and all that. I've selected these. Okay, now number of attendees. Let's say in our school we are having 30 teacher staff. So institution, yes, it's one. Organization, yes, select organization. Independent, okay जी. Other trainer name, if you want to mention other trainer name you can mention over here. Right now it's only me, so I mention my name, yes. Okay, additional information, ठीक है. If you want to select, you can go through this. You can select the additional information, ठीक है. Notes, no. Operating system, we are going to use OS type Windows, ठीक है. Operating system, then click on save. Create event, creating that. Yes, edutrack.microsoft.com says events created successfully. Create event, सेव हो चुका है. Look here, I have created event for Flipgrid, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Team, creativity in the classroom, unlock Office for 21st century skills. These topics I'm going to cover, ठीक है. Event country Pakistan. This is your achievement code. After conducting training, you need to share this code with your colleagues. Then they will redeem it with using their official ID, and then it will appear over here, ठीक है. And after that, you can even view that. Click on view. Let me check view. But this option is holding here for us by clicking on view. If you want to delete, you can click on delete. Edit means you can make changes in that. Just by clicking on view, you will get this interface. View training event. Event date was June 29 June 2021. Training duration was 2 till 3.9 hours. Pakistan. Delivery type in person. Training topics was this topic I have covered. Audience type primary school, secondary school educators. Then number of attendees 21. Number of institution is 1. Then there is the redeem code and all that. Trigger trainer name was written there. Additional information, that's it. Okay, go back. Okay, Ji, now I'm going to tell you that how to register yourself on edutrack.microsoft.com. Okay, Microsoft Education Trainer Tracker, to track your colleagues performance progress. Click on that. Let me log out. Yes. Okay, when you will click here on this link, then you will get this interface. Then quickly you need to click on register. Click on register. Then here you have to pick your account. Let's suppose I'm going to create account for this username. Next. Then first of all you need to verify yourself. Right now it's unverified. Click on accept. Now it will ask from you that do you have the profile code. If we are not having the profile code, then you need to click on no and then select the country, Pakistan selected, and after that click on register. Then bingo, you will enter over here. This is your performance right now. This is your recent trainings. You haven't conducted recent training, any training over here, recent trainings. So you can click here. You can click new training. And then you select the date. For example, I want to conduct this training on September 14 September Tuesday. Training duration is less than an hour. Location is Pakistan. Delivery in person. Training topic is, for example, I want to select Microsoft Teams. Only one topic, or Microsoft Office, because they are linked with each other. So that's fine. I've selected two topics. Now you need to select what audience type. Audience type is, for example, library, staff, school leaders, administrators, primary school and secondary educators. Fine. Then number of attendees, let's say 15. Okay, institution 1. Okay, then you need to select the organization independent. Okay, trainer name, yes, trainer name is this one, whatever the name of your ID profile. Then you need to select the operating system. We are using Windows operating system. Click, and then you need to do what? You need to click on save. After saving this, you will get this interface, successfully saved. Okay, it's loading. Now you will see over here, yes, one training successfully scheduled. Okay, on 14 September. This is the topic name and all that. Okay, it was quick. Okay, after completing at least 200 trainings, you are able to get that badge, master trainer. So you need to reach this to 200. Okay, then you are able to get that badge. Okay, hopefully you have understood this. Thank you very much. Long live Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.